think we are. Okay. Let's go, let's go. So we're gonna play some pig today, guys. Yeah. With Jorge and me. I'm going first. Wow. Your turn, Jorge. Okay. Let's see what we get here. See if Jorge can get anything. Nope, here, you get the camera.
Yeah, this is very awkward.
I know. I doubt anyone records themselves as doing pig, so this might be something good here. Okay, you gotta make it right there, Jorge.
Alright.
Right where this ball is. As you guys can see, he's not cheating. Luckily. He doesn't ever cheat. P. No, that was a P.
Alright.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna count that. Just cause. Okay, this is gonna count. Oh! So, P to nothing. There you go. See if you can make it. So, we will also try doing epic trick shots in every video. And, yeah, guys. Here we go. And yeah, I'm going to be trying to do epic trick shots in every video. And then at the end of the series, we will be editing them all to our best shots. And yeah. So right here. Ah! Okay, wait, guys. If I make this, I don't get a P. Ah!
You definitely got the P.
I'm going to try it too. Make it work, but it doesn't count as I still get a P. But I want to try to make this. Ah. Yeah, it's a rainy day, so.
Yeah, we would be outside, but
Oh! Right out of nowhere. Did you catch that?
I'm not sure.
Did you get that?
I'm pretty sure I did.
Oh, okay. If you guys didn't see what just happened, I went like this and pointed at the hoop. I went like this with this ball. Okay, pointed at me. So I went like that and I made it. So point it back at the hoop and I'm gonna try again. Okay.
that one too.
No, keep pointing at the hoop and I'm gonna try to make it. Okay, I'm gonna try to make that shot that I just made. Oh my! No!
You did it?
I did it. Did you see that on camera?
I would, but your face was in the freaking way.
Look. See?
Alright, I'm gonna go over here.
Oh!
Okay,
see
now,
what I
no.
mean?
Yeah, no.
See what I mean, people? So.
Oh my.
Look at. Wait, Jorge. What? What the? Oh my gosh, get it. Yep, that's him trying to trick shot.
I
did it. Yeah, right?
You did it.
Oh my god. Yeah, I also got a new basketball too. This one's bigger than the small one here. See, this is that one. Give me that one so I can do a side comparison. So yeah. This is the one we're using. This is the new one. So yeah, I use this one for the park. That one right there. Then I use this one for inside. So here you go. Okay. Okay, right.
Fine.
Okay. That doesn't count. I'm just trying to do... It's trick shot time right now, guys. You gotta catch this on camera if I actually make it. But you gotta catch what I'm doing. So, can I go with the flow? Ah. Yeah, I'm made a trick shot. Okay, here we go. From all the way to my house. I mean, to the back of my house.
Oh man.
Okay, point. Okay, I'm gonna shoot it from right here backwards. So point the hoop down, and I'm gonna do it. Okay, let's keep playing pig. So it's P and P, I believe? Yeah, P
yes.
and P. Okay, here we go. It's your turn. Oh wait, I didn't do my shot. Oh yeah, I did. But whatever. I missed. Hey, that's my bone. So you get it now? So he had to do that. Okay, here we go, guys. No counting. No counting. No counting. No counting. Okay.
Definitely no counting.
Oh my gosh. Wait, I want to try to do something.
Everything here is not scripted, so yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm just gonna make my shot. I'm gonna make my shot, guys. I'm gonna make my shot.
You almost made it.
Oh! Do this for me more often, dumb ball.
You made
Oh
it.
my gosh, I cannot believe I just made that. And I suck at basketball. I swear. Why? Okay, well, I'm gonna get it. Be right back, guys. Of course, me getting it. Do this upside down. Turn it around. Okay, trying to get it.
You know, you're gonna have to edit a lot of these things out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's 9. Yeah, I messed up. I'm trying to do dumb trick shots. I suck.
You're gonna
Oh
break.
my gosh, you're getting me stuck. Okay, let's go, Okay, well anyways, you gotta make that shot that I made. Yeah, the backwards one. P-I for you, and just P for me. So, and this time, hold the camera, right?
You're gonna have to edit every time you put it on the freaking bed.
I am gonna try.
Try and all the side. Well, not really all the side.
Here we go. Wait, this doesn't.
He made it.
I know, but it doesn't count because I'm too good for you. Just kidding.
As you miss it.
That's messed up.
As you miss it. As you miss it.
Okay, that counts as my shot. Fine, that does. So I stood right here.
Alright.
So switching sides, people.
You're seeing everything.
I won. I won, dude. Come on,
I made
won.
it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. You have no proof. Actually, you have all the proof.
Okay.
You have no proof that I.
Okay, here. Take the camera. Okay. Final trick shot time. So he's gonna try to hit a trick shot, and I am too. Okay, I'm gonna hit a trick shot from over here. All the way over here. So here's my trick shot. Or gonna be a trick shot. Ah! Let me keep trying. We each get 10 tries for our trick shots. Yeah. I'm just making that up. So I'm gonna kinda like front flip like this. And when I get to about the point No! Okay, change of plans. Yeah, I give up.
Alright, I want to do some trick shots.
Okay, right after I make my trick shot. You know.
If you make your stick shot.
Okay. From all the way over here. I give up. Yeah, I give up. Or maybe I don't. Wait, I want to try something. I am the one to weigh it under me a gun to get back on the streets. Not. Yeah, I give up. It's your turn. I give up. Okay, it's really your turn now. Slime. I can't even make it anymore. Well, that's it for today. I'm just kidding.
You are the ball. You can't make
Illuminati music. Illuminati music. Illuminati music.
Can you add me the polar bear in?
Whoa! Ow! Ow! Here, I'll record it. Okay, do your trick shot.
360. Aw. I'm trying to do.
You get one try. I'm just kidding. You get as many tries as you want. Well, only up to 10. And I kind of had more than 10, but that doesn't matter. Because I'm awesome. I don't know if he made that. Did he make it, guys?
I'm not sure. Probably not.
What are you doing?
Balling up with it. Yeah, this is definitely it.
Are you sure? Yeah. You suck. So yeah, guys, once he hits his trick shot, we're gonna end the video, and also be sure to subscribe. Why does it always have to be off camera? Like, I hit all my trick shots off camera.
Oh, I almost did it.
Okay, so he's backwards.
Why can't I do it again?
It's because it was off camera. I tell you, these cameras rig everything.
No. Rigged. So basically what happened is I did it backwards on the first one, but I moved to the other one. And I made the best.
There you go, guys.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, okay. Yep, I know.
Wait, try. Okay, so I'm gonna cover up the camera, and then you're gonna try, and then you're gonna make it. Or that will happen. Okay, guys, it's off camera.
Oh, definitely.
Oh my gosh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
I do it.
Okay, sorry, Jorge. Gonna have to try something else.
Did I make it or no?
No.
It's like so close. It's there, but it's not going in. I did it like that.
Well, that's it for today.
Yeah.
He's not gonna make it. Well, I'll tell you if you guys. You made that. I know. Oh my gosh, he actually made it finally.
Yeah, finally.
I hope I got that on camera.